This is your sign again to run. Kaya tara. 3 things I realized after my first half marathon. From office potato to half marathoner. Una talaga is yung line na to, sobrang laki ng impact. One day or day one. Diba, lagi ko sinasabi rin sa sarili ko yan eh. Balang araw magiging ganito, balang araw ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi ko naman sinisimulan. So, dapat talaga may day one. So, yung day one na yun, hindi lang siya for health goals. Kung may career goals kayo, personal goals, day one. Day one talaga, kailangan mo simulan yan para maabot yung balang araw na yon or yung one day. Simulan lang natin guys. Kaya tara. And second, realization is yung sense of accomplishment and joy. Iba talaga yung happiness and boost sa welfare mo. Kung stress ka, tumakbo ka. Kung marami kang iniisip, tumakbo ka. Iba yung individual feeling of success and genuine happiness pag ikaw mismo yung naghirap eh. 'Di ba? Nag-prepare ka para sa race na to, para sa marathon na to, para kahit saan yan, 3K, 5K, 10K, 21K, you did the effort by yourself. Pinush mo yung sarili mo na tumakbo. And pag natapos mo yung isang event, sobrang sarap sa feeling guys. Kaya kung masishare ko talaga kung gaano ako kasaya during the time na ginagawa ko yung half marathon na yun, very first time, and then nung natapos ko siya, sobrang saya. Walang ibang record na iniisip, yung sarili lang, basta matapos yung race, and yung accomplishment after that hanggang ngayon, ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin yung saya. Kaya, laban lang guys, tuloy lang ang ating running, and tuloy lang ang ating fitness journey. And my third realization is, ito madalas natin nakakalimutan din, or yung importance ng bagay na to minsan na-overlook natin. Number 3 is rest is okay. 'Di ba? Sobrang dami na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Sobrang dami nating commitment, sobrang dami nating dapat gampanan na tungkulin, kaya minsan nakakapagod din. But rest is okay. Wag sasama ang loob mo pag sinabi ng katawan mong magpahinga. Lalo if you are into this journey na gusto mong ipasok yung fitness. So you need to balance things talaga. But of course, rest is okay para makarecover ang utak mo, makarecover ang katawan mo, and then tomorrow will be a greater day or a brighter day. Kaya thank you for watching guys, and tuloy lang, laban lang sa ating fitness goals, personal goals, dahil tayo lang eh. Sarili lang talaga natin makakapagpatupad ng goals natin. Kaya tuloy, laban lang guys, and takbo soon.